Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Introduction to Theoretical Models of Change. Theoretical models of change are foundational to understanding and effectively managing strategic change and transformation within organizations. These models provide structured frameworks that guide leaders through the complexities of initiating, implementing, and sustaining change. The study of these theoretical models is crucial for anyone involved in strategic change and transformation management, as they offer insights into human behavior, organizational dynamics, and the processes that facilitate or hinder change. One of the most influential models in this domain is Kurt Lewin's change management model, developed in the 1940s. Lewin's model is based on a simple yet profound concept. Change involves a process of unfreezing, changing, and refreezing. The unfreezing stage entails creating awareness of the necessity for change and dismantling the existing status quo. This phase is critical because it addresses the inherent resistance to change by fostering a sense of urgency and establishing a vision for the future. The changing phase, also known as the transition phase, involves the actual process of change where new behaviors, processes, and ways of thinking are introduced. Finally, the refreezing stage solidifies the new state, ensuring that the changes are embedded into the organizational culture and practices. Lewin's model is often lauded for its simplicity and effectiveness, making it a cornerstone in the field of change management. Building on Lewin's foundational work, John Kotter developed an 8-step process for leading change, which has become one of the most widely recognized frameworks in the field. Kotter's model emphasizes the importance of a sequential approach to change, starting with establishing a sense of urgency and forming a powerful guiding coalition. These initial steps are crucial as they lay the groundwork for gaining the necessary buy-in and support from key stakeholders. The subsequent steps involve creating a vision for change, communicating this vision, empowering broad-based action, generating short-term wins, consolidating gains, and anchoring new approaches in the culture. Kotter's model is particularly valuable because it highlights the importance of leadership and communication in the change process, stressing that successful change is not just about processes and structures, but also about people and their willingness to embrace new ways of working. Another significant model in the realm of change management is the 8-CAR model, developed by Jeff Hyatt. The 8-CAR model focuses on individual change and is structured around 5 key components: awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reinforcement. This model posits that successful organizational change occurs when individuals within the organization move through these 5 stages. Awareness involves understanding the need for change, while desire represents the individual's motivation to participate and support the change. Knowledge pertains to the information and training required to implement the change, and ability refers to the skills and behaviors needed to make the change. Finally, reinforcement ensures that the change is sustained over time. The 8-CAR model is unique in its emphasis on the human aspect of change, recognizing that organizational change is ultimately driven by individual transformations. In addition to these models, the McKinsey 7S framework offers a comprehensive approach to organizational change by examining 7 interdependent elements: strategy, structure, systems, shared values, skills, style, and staff. This model underscores the interconnectedness of various organizational components and the need for alignment among them to achieve successful change. The 7S framework is particularly useful for diagnosing issues within an organization and identifying areas that require alignment to support the desired change. By addressing both the hard elements and the soft elements, the McKinsey 7S framework provides a holistic view of organizational change. Furthermore, the theory of planned behavior, developed by Isaac Adson, offers valuable insights into the psychological factors that influence change. The TPB suggests that an individual's behavior is determined by their intention to perform the behavior, which is influenced by their attitudes, subjective norms, and perceived behavioral control. In the context of organizational change, this theory highlights the importance of addressing employees' attitudes towards change, the influence of social pressures, and their perceived ability to execute the change. By understanding these factors, change leaders can develop strategies to positively influence employees' intentions and behaviors, thereby facilitating successful change implementation. Empirical evidence supports the efficacy of these theoretical models in guiding change initiatives. For instance, a study by Armenakis and Badayan found that organizations that followed structured change models experienced higher success rates in their change efforts. Additionally, research by Jones, Jimison, and Griffiths demonstrated that the use of models like Kotter's 8-step process significantly improved employee engagement and commitment to change. In practice, these theoretical models are not mutually exclusive and can be integrated to address the multifaceted nature of organizational change. For example, an organization might use Lewin's model to structure the overall change process, Kotter's model to guide the leadership and communication efforts, and the ADKAR model to focus on individual employee transitions. By leveraging the strengths of multiple models, organizations can develop a more robust and adaptable approach to change management. To illustrate the practical application of these models, consider the case of a global technology company undergoing a digital transformation. The company began by using Lewin's model to unfreeze the existing organizational mindset, highlighting the competitive pressures and technological advancements driving the need for change. Next, they adopted Kotter's 8-step process to establish a sense of urgency, form a guiding coalition of senior leaders, and develop a compelling vision for the digital future. Throughout the implementation phase, the company employed the ADKAR model to ensure that employees were aware of the reasons for the change, motivated to participate, equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills, and supported through reinforcement mechanisms. Finally, the McKinsey 7S framework was used to align the company's strategy, structure, systems, and culture with the new digital vision, ensuring a cohesive and sustainable transformation. In conclusion, theoretical models of change provide essential frameworks for understanding and managing organizational transformation. Lewin's change management model, Kotter's 8-step process, the ADKAR model, the McKinsey 7S framework, and the theory of planned behavior each offer unique perspectives and tools that can be integrated to address the complexities of change. By leveraging these models, organizations can navigate the challenges of change more effectively, fostering a culture of adaptability and continuous improvement. The empirical support for these models underscores their value in guiding successful change initiatives, making them indispensable for leaders and practitioners in the field of strategic change and transformation management. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.